Where the baby bird went, for children who feel and wonder deeply. This morning, a little baby bird fell. It was so tiny. It couldn't fly yet. Sean looked with big eyes and asked, "What happened?" Mama said, "The baby bird was very new. It came to Earth just for a little while. Some beings don't stay long. They come just to feel the wind, just to remember love, and then they fly back to the great light." Mama called it the source. It's where we all come from. It's warm, it's light, it's home. The baby bird's body got still, but its spirit turned into light. And that light flew higher than the tallest trees, back to the sky, back to the source. Sean felt quiet. Then he said, "I hope the bird is happy." Mama smiled. "Me too, baby. And I know it is." So this part is for the other children, the ones who feel a lot but don't always know why. Sometimes things happen we don't understand, but you can always ask, you can always feel, and you can always talk to the ones who return. Because love never dies. The baby bird's wings are made of light now, and when you look at the sky, you might feel it there, flying free. Even when they leave, they are still love, and love never ends. All praise to the Most High God. Love to the Mother, Vanari Shakai, Shalane Tukai.